Canadá.
Sí.
Un saludo especial para la gente hermosa de Canadá.
Muchas gracias.
Desde Cali, Colombia. Allá está haciendo frío, aquí no. A toda la gente beautiful de Canadá. You people, I love you forever. Hey, you're from Colombia. Hey, bye bye.
And the beat is in the air, Colombia, going up today. Freedom is young, yeah, and the lights are shining bright. Colombia, gonna see my life tonight. It's a perfect night for dancing, the ocean breeze is singing. Colombia, that's the light.
Found a nice cheap lunch place here in Murillo. Very quiet, kind of dark in here, but all this frijoles, beans, rice, salad, carne, meat, potato, soup, orange juice, all for 7 pesos. That's like only $3, so it's pretty good. See, it's kind of dark in here, but let's give it a try. Tastes good. Buenos días, damas y caballeros. Today, I'm in the little tiny town of Murillo. My two buddies over here. And I'm looking for a waterfall called Cascada El Silencio. And as I'm sure you can imagine, silencio means silence. Got a little dog to meet me. Hello, puppy. Hello. Come here. Come say hello. How are you? How are you? Oh, he's just going to say a quick hello, I guess. So, as you can see, the scenery is quite nice. And the trip to get here was absolutely spectacular through Parque Nacional Los Nevados. Okay, what do we have here? Ruta Murillo Verde. So that means the green route of Murillo. And so I'm presuming, let's see here, entrada. Okay, so we got some kind of ecological place a kilometer up. Ruta Murillo Verde. 5 kilometers. Oh, aves. That's birds. Oh, that's interesting. Didn't know about that. Anyhow, let's continue on here. Because first I want to just find the waterfall. Just show you a little bit of the other scenery here. Okay, so here we come to, up ahead, a cemetery, which is what she told me about. And she told me that it'd be 15 minutes. And usually, as I've mentioned many times, if they say 15 minutes, it means double it to 30 or so. But who knows, maybe the small town folks have a better sense of time. And sure enough, right by the cemetery is a sign saying Cascada El Silencio. And it says actividades, which is of course activities, senderismo, and escalada, and avistamento de aves, so watching the birds. So it appears as though it's not too far away, and I'm presuming that it's down this little trail here. So this is a interesting little venture to start the morning with. Now you might not be able to see it yet, but you can see mist moving in over there and over there. And let's start down the trail here. This little town of Murillo is, I'm going to take this mask off because I don't need it when there's nobody around. A lot of people seem to be wearing their masks in this town, so trying to play along here. Yeah, Murillo it's pretty high up in altitude, and so it was pretty chilly last night, and it's not that terribly warm at the moment. If the sun would come out, some pretty flowers. If the sun would come out, it would probably be a little bit warmer, but yeah, I don't expect that it's going to get too terribly warm around here. A little muddy down there. I don't hear a waterfall yet, so who knows, it could be a little ways yet. But so far I'm just absolutely loving this area. Thankfully there's enough blankets on the bed. Kept me warm last night because there's no heating in any of the buildings. Oh, here comes another little doggy. Is that the same dog? Hello again. Hello. How are you? Are you going to guide me? Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter? Oh, are you happy to see a friend? Yeah? Come on then, let's go. Let's go. Oh, don't get all excited. Oof. Oh, wow, you're really excited, aren't you? Okay, lead the way then. Keep going. Andale, andale. Okay, this is going to get interesting, it looks like here. Well, that's kind of weird. So now I don't know if I'm supposed to hop this fence or what the deal is. Let's see if I can find somebody to ask. I hear people talking. Well, these are kind of unique little flowers. Let me get it close in there. Interesting. Don't think I've ever seen this kind of a plant in Colombia before. And I wonder, is that kind of a fruit? Huh, interesting, I don't know. Anyhow, apparently this trail is not the right way to go. And that gentleman back there told me it was, well, he kind of indicated that I need to go more left at the cemetery, but didn't totally understand what he told me, but we'll figure it out. All right, I'm actually recording this one clip on the way back now that I know where I'm going. So this is the cemetery right here, the wall, and then you're going to be watching for this gate here, and hopefully it'll be unlocked, but looks like you can scoot around it that way if you need to. Anyway, you go through here, and I'll just show you a quick glimpse. This is the cemetery right here. You're gonna walk across to that corner over there, and then down a little trail. That's where you'll find the trail to La Cascada del Silencio. Well, I still got my little companion here with me, and I think it seemed kind of odd that one would go through a cemetery to get to a waterfall, but I know that the guy at the hostel yesterday told me that sometimes it's locked. I thought, well, that's kind of weird, but I think it's starting to make sense now, because back there was actually a gate that goes right into the cemetery, and half the gate was open, so I had to walk right through the cemetery, and then I came out at the corner, found this trail, and now I can hear either a river or a waterfall down further. So I think I'm on the right track, but we will find out sooner than later. Obviously the dog knows the way and is leading the way, so I should just follow the dog. This is kind of nice that there's a actual step trail down there though. Yeah, I can definitely hear water flow. Must be the way. Some more pretty flowers. Almost look like honeysuckles that we have back home. Starting to look like this is going to be quite a ways down there, because this path keeps going, and just encountered a couple of other people on the way down there. A little cave here I can live in if I run out of money. Now I have to squeeze through this little, I guess, maybe, I don't know, maybe this is the locked area he was talking about. But anyway, got to squeeze through here now. I presume this is one of the birds from the area. Trogon. Well, there's the official first glimpse. It says Propiedad Privada. So I guess this is private property. A little bit better, clearer shot there. Kind of nice. And I'm just showing you a little bit more of the flora and fauna on the way down. Some of these steps are a little rotten, so you definitely have to be careful. Very pretty little flowers. And it's time for the first nice clear glimpse of La Cascada El Silencio. I have no idea why they call it the waterfall of silence, but it's a beauty. Here's my little friend again. He abandoned me for the Colombian people. It's a nice looking waterfall. Alright, we have the brave Colombian people from Pereira going into the very, very cold water. Agua muy fría. I don't know if you... ¿No puede? ¿No puede? ¿Tan frío? Nada. Es terrible. Es terrible, pero con buena emoción. No me encima lo otro porque es fácil. Sí. No way I'd be brave enough to go in that cold water. These guys are. You did it. For about 15 seconds, but that's pretty good. You can't wait to get out. Alright, so I'm definitely glad that I came here. And the Colombian guys. And one guy from Pereira speaks English, and he's telling me about a lost city where there is gold mining, so he's going to tell me a little bit more about how to get there. So it seems like there's a lot to see. The guy that I was talking to this morning in the little grocery store told me there's a place that's nicer than Valle de Cocora near Salento, and so I'm gonna have to check that out too, I guess. So I might be here for a little while longer than I thought.
We are right here in the blue point, right?
Okay, yeah.
So you go first to Líbano, and then you go down to Falan. This is the name, Falan.
How do you spell it?
F-A-L-A-N. L-A-N.
Okay.
Falan.
Falan.
So you see this point? The city of Falan.
Okay.
So it's pretty near the town. You just need to go to the town hall, and they give you all the information, and you can pay like 15K up for a tour, and they guide you to the waterfalls, the gold mine, everything.
Oh, there's waterfalls too.
Yeah. So
You went there yesterday?
Yeah,
I
let me
guess?
show you the picture.
Sure. All right, damas y caballeros, I think I'm going to end this video here. It's been a fun day. Got some really nice people, and yeah, this is just more natural beauty of Colombia. Hopefully you can come here someday and visit the beautiful area of Murillo, and I keep finding out more and more things to do, so I'll definitely have to stay here for at least 2 or 3 more days, it looks like. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. That'd be appreciated. And until next time, hasta los tacos. Ciao.